my love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of
What's up, you guys? It is Saturday morning and I just finished getting ready. Remy and I are about to head out the door. We're gonna go to one of my high school best friend's baby showers, which I'm so excited for. It's so fun that we're gonna have babies around the same age, and she hasn't met Remy yet, so I'm excited to introduce her to her. David's off golfing this morning. It's only 8 o'clock, so we had to get up, get ready, and we're gonna head out the door in the next couple of minutes. Remy's just sitting here smiling at me and I'm like melting in half. I cannot handle. Anyways, I thought it would be fun to vlog this weekend. I'm not sure I will vlog at all at the shower, but bring you along for the rest of it. And yeah, I'm gonna pack up here, head out the door. I actually will show you guys my dress because I really like it. I think it's super cute. Here's my dress. It is from Zara. I just recently got it, but I just thought the colors were super fun and I love this type of like neckline. So yeah, I just recently got this, and then it goes just like right above my knee. So it's like the perfect little like summer dress. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna wear to the shower. All right, I'm gonna load up the car now, which is a whole process. I feel like it takes me like 3 trips to get everything. And I feel like as a new mom, I try to be as minimal as I can. I know we're probably a little bit more extra than like the mom with like 3 kids. I feel like you just like learn what you actually need, but I try to be as minimal as I can because I hate having a ton of stuff like when I pack and all that. So I don't know. I feel like you still just need like so much shit when you have a baby. It's okay though. I'm already home now. Probably seems like I didn't even leave, but I promise I did. It is already 4 o'clock and David just got home. We just got home a little bit ago. It was so fun to see my friend. She's having a little boy. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but I have seen so many baby girls recently. Like obviously we had one, my sister-in-law just had one, and there's just been a lot of girl babies. So I'm really excited that she's having a little boy, and it was a really nice shower. But we are home now and don't really have any plans the rest of the day. It is super nice out, and yesterday we were at David's parents' house and their little neighbor girls had bubbles, and I was just holding Remy and they were blowing bubbles at her, and she was belly laughing to the point where like her whole body was shaking, and I have never heard her laugh like that ever. So naturally I bought bubbles, and I'm gonna go see if, I don't know if it was just like a freak thing, but she like could not handle it. She was laughing so hard, and then I was like crying because I was laughing so hard, and it was just like the cutest thing. So we're gonna go play with bubbles and see if we can get Remy to, I was gonna say bubble laugh, belly laugh. Let's go see. We just picked a few things from our garden. We got this huge cucumber and then some tomatoes that look really good. Garden tomatoes, like, I don't know, that you grow yourself, they just taste so much better than bought at the store. And then Remy's just lounging. Here's an update of our garden. These are all tomatoes, which are doing really well. And then we have a bunch of spicy banana peppers. This is all jalapenos. These are onions. And then that was our cucumber bush that David pulled out of the dirt.
As I was pulling one of the cucumbers off of it, the entire thing ripped out of the dirt.
So that's a lost cause.
Getting no more cucumbers this year.
Oh well. Why aren't you laughing?
Not so cool today.
Why aren't they? She's literally like stone cold. Nope. What? That's a bummer. You thought they were so funny yesterday. Okay, so bubbles were a fail, clearly. But we decided to go try out a new restaurant just for like a little appetizer, and we might get a couple of drinks. It's just super nice out, and it's just like Saturday night. We don't really have anything going on, so we thought we would go try out a new place. Okay, we made it. So cute here. I got a little spritz. Cheers. Okay, we got some appetizers. This is their homemade mozzarella stick, which looks amazing. Some dipping sauces, and then this is like just a bunch of like fried vegetables, I think, but looks so good. All right, we're off to our little Saturday night walk with our cocktails and our baby. Cheers.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately.
What's up, you guys? It is Sunday morning and we're headed to meet our friends and their baby. We're gonna go walk around a lake with them. We just got Starbucks, and our Starbucks by our house is out of almost everything. I feel like none of us could get like what we actually wanted. I'm not sure if it's just, oh my god, I thought those people were coming up. But yeah, I don't know. It's been like that for the last couple weeks. I feel like we couldn't get, I always get hazelnut syrup in my drink, and they've been out of hazelnut for weeks now. I don't know if it's just our Starbucks or everyone's.
And you were getting the brown sugar, but that's out now too.
Yeah, brown sugar is out there.
We tried getting sriracha for our egg bites, and those are all up, or they're out of hot sauce.
Yeah, I've never actually had one of their egg bites, but we were both hungry and we're gonna just try them. I wanted, yeah, like sriracha. They're out of sriracha. I don't know. My camera died, but we just tried these and they're actually super good. Definitely would be better with the sriracha, but not bad. Do you like them?
Yeah, they're good. What's all in them, do you think?
I don't know. I think there's like red pepper, green pepper, maybe spinach. I'm not really sure, but really good. Like I said, my camera died, so I'm on my phone right now, but I will see you guys, I guess, when we get home. Okay, we are back from the walk and went to the grocery store, so we are gonna make lunch right now. We both were craving just like a good deli sandwich with like potato chips. It just sounded so good, so we went to Target and bought everything we would need. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a little sandwich, and then I think we actually might watch a movie. We're just kind of both in the mood to like lounge and hang out. So I'm gonna make a sandwich. All right, for my sandwich, I'm going to use some mayo, and I'm gonna put it on both sides, and a little mustard. And then I got some cracked pepper turkey, so I'm gonna put that down. All right, then I got some hard salami. And then some provolone cheese, and then we're gonna add all of our veggies, which the key to a good sandwich is thinly sliced vegetables. It just makes like the biggest difference. So we did onion, now these are cucumbers. Like, you see how thin those are? It's where it's at with a sandwich. And then I have some tomatoes. This might be weird, but I always salt and pepper when I have like tomatoes on a sandwich. I think that also makes a huge difference. So I do salt and pepper. And then some lettuce. All right, and if you don't do potato chips on top, you're doing it wrong, guys. You gotta try it. It's so good. Okay, then I'm just gonna take this. All right, there's the sandwich. Looks amazing. It's exactly what I was craving. So good. It's like I never left the kitchen again, but it is a lot later. It's 5 o'clock now. We had a very lazy afternoon. We watched a movie and we all took a nap together, which was actually so nice, and we all needed it. So Anyways, Remy is back down for another nap, and I thought that I would just kind of get a little bit of, I don't know, random like stuff done around my house. So one thing that I like to do after I go grocery shopping is to like cut up any of the vegetables or fruit that we bought. So I bought this muskmelon, and we bought some like radishes and carrots and stuff like that, and I feel like if I cut it up and it's in my fridge, I grab that over like a bag of chips and stuff. But if I just like kept these in the bag and obviously like didn't cut this up, I would never, like, if I was like snacky, I would never think like I'm gonna go cut the whole like muskmelon up, eat it. Like, it would just seem like too much work, and I would easily grab like a crappy snack. So I'm gonna cut it up now just because then it's done. And it might be weird, but I actually like really enjoy like chopping stuff. I look so awful. I cannot believe I'm filming right now, but that's Sunday for you. I just don't feel like getting ready. So this is just what I look like today. But yeah, I'm just gonna chop up some stuff.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you about the bigger picture in your life, the simple times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight.
Okay, here's what I did. This took me literally like 15 minutes, but I hard-boiled a bunch of eggs just because they're easy for like breakfast or to like put on a salad or something. And then I just kind of chopped up any like veggies or fruit that we had. So this is just obviously melon, broccoli, some green onion that we use in like salads and stuff. It's just nice to have them like all cleaned, and I keep them in water because they don't like, I don't know, I feel like they stay better that way. And then radishes in the back, which are one of my favorite vegetables actually. It's kind of a weird one, but yeah, it's just nice to have all this prepped, and then you don't have to like fuss with it throughout the week. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is make some cold brew, which if you've been following, you know that I've been really liking iced coffee this summer. So what I've been doing is just making like a 12-cup pot of coffee and then putting it in my refrigerator. And I feel like by the time I put like ice and my creamer in it, it tastes really watery. So I was trying to make it like super strong, and it just, I don't know, it wasn't really like what I wanted. So when I went to World Market, I found this really cute little jar for cold brew, which I wasn't really sure what the difference between iced coffee and cold brew was, but basically you get a filter and you put coarse coffee grounds in it, and then you soak it like for I think 24 hours in this like little filter that they have in here. So I thought I'm gonna try this and see if I like this better than just like iced coffee. Just maybe it'd be like a little bit stronger. So I actually am gonna grind my own coffee beans because we have a grinder and it says to use coarse, and I think the coffee I have is too like finely grounded. So I'm gonna grind my own beans really quick. This is our coffee grinder, so I'm going to just grind some fresh beans. And we usually have it on fine, so I'm gonna turn it to coarse. Then just hit start. Okay, so I have my jar, and this is the little filter that it came with. So you put that in. And I have my coffee that I'm gonna put right into the filter. Okay, then it says just to pour over like filtered water. Alright, I have my 8 cups, so I'm gonna put the lid back on, and then it says to steep overnight between 12 and 24 hours, depending on how strong. So I think I'll just try it in the morning, and if I need it to go longer, I'll just let it sit, but this is what it looks like. I just thought this was so cute, so hopefully it turns out good, because that would be really cute. Alright, I just took a shower, which felt amazing, and now we're gonna give Remy a bath, which is one of our favorite times of the week. She loves bath time so much. So we're gonna give her a little bath and get her nice and cozy, and then we're gonna go probably watch Handmaid's Tale. Yeah, bath time.
I want sunshine, I want rain, I want love, I want the pain. Shimmy up, gon' say my name, cause it don't feel the same when you're not around. The feelings come out.
Oh my god, this is her first time wearing this little robe that we got. It's like a little bear. Look at how cute you
Still
are.
a little big on her, but
Yeah, you look cozy.
she looks cute.
Are you cozy, baby? Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, we got ready down for bed, and David's making us dinner right now. He's making homemade Detroit style pizza, which he made a few years ago for the first time, and it's so good. I will leave the recipe that he follows below, but he makes like the dough himself, and usually he makes the sauce, but we bought one this time. Anyways, it's so good. And yeah, that little robe that I just showed, so freaking cute. It's on Amazon for like $13. So if you have a baby or like you want to give it as a gift, it was so inexpensive. It's size like 0 to 9 months, so it'll fit her for a really long time, especially in the winter when it's so freezing here. I feel like it's just gonna be so cute. But yeah, I'll show you guys the pizza when it comes out. It takes like 10 minutes in the oven because you cook it at like 550 or something crazy. All right, here is the pizza out of the oven. It looks so good. We just did olives and obviously cheese and sauce on ours.
The crust is so good though.
Oh my gosh, it is amazing.
It's like really thick and like, I don't know, kind of tastes like buttery almost.
Oh my gosh. Remy's yelling at us right now. We're gonna go eat and watch our shows, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye.